Dear student, today we are going to learn about lecture number 11, that is also about geometry. Last time we have discussed about the lines, and today we are going to discuss about the different angles, and we have learned about the names of the different angles. What are those names? Once again we are repeating those words: zero angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, supplementary angle, and complementary angle. As I have said you that we will discuss all these type in detail. So today we are gonna discuss all these topics in detail. So starting with zero angle. What is zero angle? When two arms or two lines of angle are on each other or lie on the same plane, they have a 0 degree. They have 0 degree, and that 0 degree or parallel or equal to 180 degree, or we can say that the zero angle is equal to the 180 degree. Actually 180 degree, I will discuss this angle on the next slide, but here I am discussing about the zero angle. When two arms of the angle, that are the sides of the angle, are lie on the same plane, that lie on each other, so we can say that the angle between these two arms is 0 degree, or that is known as zero angle. Right angle, you already have been familiar with this right angle. Two rays that creates a 90 degree angle, or we can say that when two lines, perpendicular lines, meet together, they form a 90 degree angle, and that 90 degree angle is known as right angle. Acute angle, two rays that have a smaller angle than a right angle, that have a smaller angle than a 90 degree, is known as acute angle. All those angles are acute angles which are less than 90 degree or which are less than right angle are called acute angles. Obtuse. Obtuse angles are those angles which are larger than a right angle or which are larger than a 90 degree, is said to be as obtuse angle. Remember that obtuse angle is smaller than 180 degree. But the definition of the obtuse angles are those angles which are larger than 90 degree and smaller than 180 degree are known as obtuse angles. Dear student, straight angle is equal to 180 degree, or simply we can say that a line containing angle that is 180 degrees. So a line has an angle that is equal to 180 degree, or we can say that a line has a straight angle, and a straight angle equal to 180 degree. Also a straight angle is known as flat angle. In other words, I can define the definition of the straight angle, that is two rays of the line, two rays or two lines that are opposite to each other have straight angle, and straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Remember, angles equal to straight angle is equal to two right angles, means 90 and 90. Two right angle that have 90 degrees. So when we will add two right angles that those are 90, so we will get 180, that is equal to the straight angle. So here you have to just remember that straight angle is equal to 180 degree. After this, supplementary angles. To angle, to any angle, remember, to any angle, when we will add them, we will get straight angle, means the sum of two angles equal to 180 degree are known as supplementary angles. For example, one angle is 100 degree, another angle is 80 degree. When we will add them, we will get answer 180 degree. So we are getting supplementary angles when we are adding different two angles. So these two angles are known as supplementary angles. For example, one angle is 110, another angle is 70 degree. When we will add 110 and 70, we will get supplementary angle, we will get straight angle. So we can say that two angles are known as supplementary angles. Now the third example, For example, if one of the angle is 120 degree, other angle is 60 degree. Now these two will be called as supplementary angles, because when we will add 120 and 60, we will get 180 degree. That is straight angle. In the same way that we have discussed the supplementary angle, now we are discussing the complementary angles. Complementary are those two angles, when we will add them, we will get right angle. Suppose one angle is 60 degree, other angle is 30 degree. When we will add 60 and 30, we will get 90. It means that 60 and 30 angles are complementary angles. In other example, I am telling you that if one angle is 50 degree, other angle is 40 degree, when we will add 50 and 40, we will get the right angle. It means that the 50 and 40 are complementary angles. So in this slide we have done with okay, with this we have done with our lecture. Now revise this lecture, and you can ask any question if you find a difficulty, and we will meet in upcoming class. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Okay, with this slide we have done with our lecture, and hope you have understood all the information. So till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.